Hi, I'm Brienne with Plum Fabulous Foods, and I wanted to show you my new favorite way to get rid of bugs. So if you look over here, we've got this broccoli covered still from the fall, but you can see that the harlequin bugs are all over the outside of this netting. And so we have discovered that this is really the most gratifying way to get rid of bugs possible. Just as fast as I can walk and point and shoot. And this is just a cheap vacuum I got off of Amazon. I actually got it just for this purpose. It just fit the batteries for the equipment that we already had. So it's got a DeWalt battery, but it's an off-brand vacuum. All right, we'll go check out our corn. You can see them on our corn here too.
There's more.
And the kids even like to come out. They like to get whole handfuls of them, and then I'll suck them out of their hands. Barrett, you want to show them how you catch them with your hands? It's just the funnest thing.
There's too many of them.
Well, actually, we've seen their population decrease quite a bit from just 3 days of doing this. So this is really good for tomato bugs, the assassin bugs or the leaf-footed bugs that get your tomatoes. That's the reason I
Squash bugs. I bet it worked on squash bugs too.
Yeah. Every year it seems to be a different pest. So here you go. So then we'll go put them in our bucket. I'll show you what we do with them when we're done. All right, so here's the bucket. So you can see I just have to take off my filter. And I just tap them in this soapy water here, and then they struggle and make a little whirlpool of
It's gotta be stinky.
And there you go. That is the funnest way to get rid of bugs in the garden, and it's definitely organically approved.